So there's a lot of discussions about technology today, so I want to sort of talk about what I think is really critical in this transformation, right, which is the people. Right? And so I think the first thing you have to do when you're looking at making this move towards Kubernetes and cloud-native architectures, as Dan described them, is you have to know where you're going. You have to have a vision and have a set direction that you want to get to, and think about how you're going to get there. Don't just start. Everyone just kind of starts doing proof of concepts and plays around with the technology, and that's all good things to do. But at some point, you have to know where you're going to head with this new technology and what you want to do as your organization grows. The next thing you want to do then is find someone that you can really lead this effort. Find some strong leaders, find some strong community chairmen and program directors that can help drive this direction you want to go, and trust them to get you there, right? And then you have to have the right team, right? None of us can really do all of this on our own. So you want to have a strong team. You want to make sure that you give them the direction, the focus to get things done, and then get out of the way and let them get it done. You also don't want to be too much involved in the day-to-day of small PRs and little issues that need to get resolved, right? Let the team manage that. Don't get too involved in what all these organizational issues that come into play. Try to address those organizational issues outside of the team and allow your team to just focus on getting things done. But there is technology, obviously, right? And so when you think about technology, it's important that you look at how you do your technology evaluations, how you do your development, how you test and prototype. Thinking about things that are involved in your existing infrastructure is very important. A lot of people kind of skip this. They kind of look at greenfield and say, we're going to develop this whole new methodology around creating applications, but they forget that they have an operations environment and they have ticketing and billing systems and other environments that they need to have in place, right? And so just very quickly, 3 really key aspects to kind of take away from this conference. The first one is that you're going to need a good platform, kind of like the platform Sam was talking about, and Kubernetes is definitely that platform. And so if you think about abstractions and developing that right platform, leveraging Kubernetes is the right way to go. The second thing is you're going to make mistakes. You're going to have issues you have to resolve. Just deal with it. Don't worry about it. It's just part of developing anything new. And then lastly, and most importantly, don't do this, right? Don't build walls. Don't build this environment where you have. Think about the community. This is a great, vibrant community. As you saw from Dan's talk, the CNCF is building more and more of an ecosystem around helping you in this journey. So leverage us, work with us, and we'll help you get there, and we'll help drive you all the way there. Thank you.